Hello dear fans. The largest river in North America. In North America, there are many rivers with their tributaries. The largest are Columbia, Colorado, Missouri. But the main one, as the queen among them, is, of course, Mississippi. This is a real water symbol of the continent, which represents the unique power of the water element. The Algonquin Indian tribe gave the Mississippi such a name, which in translation means Big River. This source of moisture is 3,765 kilometers long and more than 2 kilometers wide, at its widest point. In 1 second, this river drives through itself more than 670,000 cubic feet of water. The river flows through 10 U.S. states, and the Mississippi Basin covers even more areas, 31 states. Its main tributaries are the Missouri and Ohio. Together, these rivers make up more than 1/6 of the land area of all of North America. The Mississippi overflows in summer and freezes in winter. When the Missouri flows into it, the river takes on a yellow hue due to the addition of clay and sand, which is a rather interesting sight. As the Ohio tributary adds its waters, the Mississippi becomes deeper, and wider. Thanks to this, the river never freezes in the lower reaches. The source of the Mississippi is Nicollet Creek, and this river, symbol of North America, flows into the Gulf of Mexico. At the same time, the river, due to the number of branches at the confluence, looks like the roots of a tree. And during floods, with a lot of precipitation and snow melting, the river more than once threatened to demolish the city of New Orleans. In addition, the Mississippi is very convenient for arriving from the Gulf of Mexico in the interior of the United States. The river flows through the United States, although its basin also slightly affects Canada. Thanks for watching.